Let's talk about our cybersecurity teams and see how they range and how they tie in to this figure here. We see that we have teams in securely provision, and maybe they're responsible for risk management. We could assign a person to this role, and we can understand their description. Additionally, we can assign them a work role, and we can assign them controls to be responsible for. But that's later. We could talk about operating and maintaining, which is where an organization has data administration. Over here, you can see that we picked a work role that fits the person's role. We have a description of what they're responsible for, and we have the controls that this person is going to be also responsible for. And we can also define that there are relative or related controls in regards to how this first one works. This is why cybersecurity is complex. One person can all of a sudden have 6 or 7 responsibilities just for doing data administration. So this is what makes cybersecurity complex. When we talk about oversee and govern, we have a whole entire component here, and then we have protect and defend. But how does all this tie in to this presentation here? We want to raise the opportunity cost for cyber attackers. We want them to abandon their efforts. Then we want to move into protection to prevent their efforts. Then we should have systems in place to detect what their actions are so we can adapt. And how do we detect? We see there's some stuff here. We have to have an organization strategy with policies, processes, and procedures that integrate proactive, detective, and responsive actions and controls. We'll discuss more about how this integrates all together to build a security program that adapts, detects, protects, and most importantly, deters malicious cyber actors. If you're enjoying this content, like and follow along for more.